Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuit butter, full guide. Start by softening 1 cup butter to room temperature and measuring 2 tablespoons milk or cream. Add sifted powdered sugar gradually until smooth, then gently fold in flavorings like vanilla or lemon zest. Taste and adjust 1/4 tsp salt for balance, then chill briefly so it firms but stays spreadable for your biscuits. Begin by creaming butter on medium speed until it turns light and slightly fluffy, roughly 1 to 2 minutes, using a bowl or stand mixer. Slowly add sifted powdered sugar while mixing to keep the texture smooth and prevent airborne dust. Pour in 2 tablespoons milk a little at a time to reach the right spreadable consistency, then add 1/4 tsp salt and any flavorings, mixing briefly to combine evenly. Explore flavors by starting small and tasting as you go, because butter carries flavors strongly. Try 1 tsp vanilla or 1 tablespoon lemon or orange zest for a bright, familiar profile, or swirl in honey or jam for sweetness. For savory options, fold in finely chopped herbs, grated cheese, or a pinch of smoked paprika. Adjust quantities to taste and remember chilling briefly helps flavors meld and keeps texture perfect for spreading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.